Hi there, welcome to our video on how taking a cold shower can help to reduce headaches. If you're someone who suffers from frequent headaches, you know how frustrating and debilitating they can be. But did you know that something as simple as taking a cold shower can help to alleviate those pesky headaches? In this video, we'll explore the science behind this and give you some tips on how to incorporate cold showers into your daily routine to help reduce the frequency and intensity of your headaches. But first, let's talk about what causes headaches. There are many different factors that can contribute to headaches, including stress, tension, eye strain, and even certain foods and drinks. One common cause of headaches is muscle tension, which can be caused by poor posture, stress, or even sitting for long periods of time. How does taking a cold shower help with headaches? When you take a cold shower, the cold water can help to constrict blood vessels, which can help to reduce inflammation and swelling. This can help to alleviate the pressure and pain associated with a headache. Cold showers can also help to improve circulation and increase blood flow, which can help to reduce the intensity of a headache. How can you incorporate cold showers into your routine? One easy way is to start by taking a lukewarm shower and gradually decreasing the temperature over the course of a few minutes. You can also try alternating between hot and cold water, or simply finishing your shower with a few minutes of cold water. The key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. In conclusion, taking a cold shower can be a simple and effective way to help reduce the frequency and intensity of headaches. Not only does it provide physical benefits, but it can also help to relieve stress and tension, which can be major contributors to headaches. So next time you're dealing with a headache, consider taking a cold shower as a natural and low-risk way to find relief. But it's important to keep in mind that taking a cold shower may not work for everyone. It's a good idea to talk to your doctor or a healthcare professional first. They can help determine the cause of your headache and advise you on the best course of treatment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy living.